Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to Varda's Cuisine. Today we're going to start with the easy, quick, and delicious mouth-watering recipe of a coconut truffles, or we can say coconut laddu. It's a easy and quick recipe with the free ingredients. You can make just this mouth-watering, delicious coconut laddu or coconut truffles. Only just few ingredients are required. Before that, don't forget to subscribe. Here we have 1 cup of desiccated coconut, half cup of powder milk, and 1 cup of sugar. You can use the less amount of the sugar or more. And we have 4 tablespoons of milk. So they are the simple ingredients that we can use to make a coconut truffles or coconut laddu. Take a 1 bowl, add 1 cup of desiccated coconut, half cup of powder milk. Within a 5 minutes you can make this quick and easy recipe. And 1 cup of sugar. As I said, you can use the sugar according to your taste. Now next is the 4 tablespoons of milk. Here I'm going to add the 4 tablespoons of milk. Now just mix this all ingredients. Just simple ingredients I'm going to use. Now here I have 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Take 2 tablespoons of oil. Add this mixture on medium flame. Going to cook this on medium flame, not on a high flame. If you cook it on high flame, the desiccated coconut will be burned. So on medium flame, just cook it. Or 2 tablespoons of oil you're going to use, and just stir the spoon continuously. And here I'm going to add the half or pinch of vanilla essence. Now when you cook it on low flame at least for 5 minutes, you can see start leaving the pan. Now this is a sign, it means our mixture is ready. So it just start leaving the pan like this. And start form a shape and leaving the pan. So just dish it out. When it's lukewarm, take a spoon and you can make a desired shape. And you can take with the help of the spoon, you can measure the quantity. And you can, and here I'm going to make the small balls of coconut laddu, coconut truffles. When it's lukewarm, start making at that point. So here simply we just grease our hand with the oil, and then apply the oil on your palm and start making the shape of the laddus or the shape of the laddu and coconut truffles. And before that you have to grease the plate where you're going to uh, set these laddus. So just grease the pan or a plate where you're going to dish it out these truffles or laddu. So here I made all the like 10 to 12 balls of coconut laddu and coconut truffles are ready. Grease the plate and place it on the plate. You can make a big shape if you want. And for 5 to 10 minutes, place it in the fridge. Now you can see after 5 to 10 minutes, you can just place it in the fridge. And here you can also do one thing, you can dip it with the chocolate. You can also dip it with the chocolate, so it will also give the delicious taste. Here I just pour 1 teaspoon of chocolate, Nutella chocolate, so you can apply, so kids will enjoy this if you dip it into the chocolate and leave it in the fridge for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And here it is ready. Please try this recipe and remember me in your prayers and let me in the comment how is your result. Take care. Allah Hafiz.